Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm somewhat not feeling well, that's why I was not able to post the videos these couple of days. I think the last video I posted was for the analysis of 15th and post that I have been suffering from kind of flu and fever. Okay, so let's get ahead with the analysis. This is the 30-minute chart of Nifty Futures, the trading view version. It's not the actual March index, I mean the March future, but it is the continuous one which TradingView offers. Okay, let's get quickly to the daily chart. Now, as you have already seen my previous video, if not, you can just go and visit that. We made this a range in a attempt to just classify the supply level of this particular swing for which the entire correction is going on at this one. All right. So this, as we discussed earlier, is a last resort if the bulls are going to participate without breaking this low. If it is meant to break the low, then obviously we will be getting a candle someday and it will be broken. Now, if there is a reversal or there is some reversal, I mean just pullback, you can say, not a complete reversal. If there is a pullback which is to take place from this position, then it should have, you know, the possibility of occurring this pullback is greater here. Why? Because as we have seen, there were multiple support levels. The first one was this one because it has multiple rejections and in the form of supports and resistance. So it was giving a glimpse that it might reverse from here, not exactly very violently, but it might be a slow swing movement, and we may get something like this. But one fine day it was broken. What we were expecting once this has been broken, now this is the last resort. Now, from couple of days, we are seeing some kind of relief rally, not a complete rally, but some sort of relief from these kind of candles, these big red candles. So, can we say that we have just stopped every correction and we are going to move up? No, certainly not. This is not practical. This may be a possibility that we may move now to correct this swing. As you see, this is a down swing, and there might be a chances that we may see a correction of this pull or pullback of this particular swing, and there is a possibility we may see either to 61% or 61% will be 17,500. Minded, these are the levels of Nifty futures. You can do the same analysis on Nifty spot as well. So Nifty's 500 roughly is the 61.8 retracement, and 50% is 17,400 roughly. So this might be the area where we may get a retracement up to at least. As you can see, if you try to figure out the exact, we cannot certainly find out the exact levels, but this should be a rough area. We can never find exact point that this is a point, or multiple people, so called so much intelligent gurus always think then this is the level you will be watching. No, this cannot be a level. Instead, it will be a area. We may see a reversal from here if the market has to prove something negative. All right. Otherwise, this is the whole analysis which we are. No big analysis, no lots of analysis. Lots of analysis only will be making decisions very complicated. So we do not make to think over like if this goes here, how to do with this side, that side, Elliott wave, supply, demand, support, resistance, this, that. No analysis of this kind is going to help you when you are going to take the exact trade. This only gives you a potential direction. And direction, as you can see, it is very simple. Just find out the bigger trend where it is heading. A simple no eyes or a 10-year, kid will be able to say that this is downtrend. Market is in downtrend. There is no science here. So why do we complicate? Now from couple of days, as you can see, This was the level I was just discussing the other day. If you see, I was already making people cautious that it is not the level to go into full-fledged short position. If you are getting something like this, then only short. Otherwise, leave it. Some money should be left for others as well. Right? So all the persons who just jumped off the cliff, watching that this is the breakdown, they might have just caught off guard and maybe stopped out. Now, if you can see, this is a simple falling trend line of this 30-minute chart, and this has been broken yesterday only. Now we can simply say the trend has not changed, but it is still in the mood of forming higher high and higher low. So why do we complicate mode? Once this has been found, you could have opened a position long over here, keeping the stop loss here. But yes, it could have been a large stop loss. The wide nature of these candles or volatility around this time is high. That's why the stop loss would have been large. And the movement was not so swift. I enter here, gives a deep pullback. Again, in the morning it would have been profitable. Till this retracement, everybody would have been shivering if they have opened the position here. Now again, in the at the closing, it would be a positive change. So this is the basic levels which we are discussing. Now what do we do next? How do we trade this thing? So it's very simple. Now you can see Nifty is trying to form swings like this. This and it has crossed above this. A second candle which is bearish. Not too bearish but still bearish. Now there is a possibility that we may give a or consolidation here or little pullback. Once this is crossed, just open long position. Open a long position here. Put the stop loss here. Simple as that. Simple as that. This is for 30-minute chart. Simply you open long here, put the stop loss here or wherever the low is, and keep on trailing until you get stopped out like this. There will certainly be a point where you will be getting something like this. You will be stopped out. Simple as that. Up till it is giving a pullback, you will be able to make profit. Simple as that. So this is the analysis for Nifty. Let's quickly look at the stocks. All right, this is the Lumex one, which we have already discussed. If you already got the open position around 275, it has not gone very violently down despite the market giving bloodbath in past week. The stock was not too much down. It may still go and hit your stop loss if you are placed here, but still I think this is a candidate. It should be given a chance here. It is doing some consolidation, and there might be a possibility that it may go up. Next one I suggested was Chennai Petro. Just the other day it went up more than 5%, or it was even more than 6.6. Okay, 6.6%. But just yesterday it went around 6% down as well. So currently it is break even. You should have placed the stop loss and it should be maintained around to 38. That's it. Simple as that. No need to just bang your head what to do. Next one which I have just selected today is a very good stock. Despite too many concerns here and there, this stock just keeps moving on. So around 855, it's a very nice buy, and your stop loss should be coming around 806.5. It will be a quite wide one, but adjust your size in such a way that you are not risking more than 5%. Position sizing should be in such a way that 5%, more than 5% is not going on this particular trade. So these are the stocks which you should keep on watch list, and let's see what the market has to offer. All right, guys. Thank you very much for just watching my video. And in case you have not subscribed, just show your support by subscribing to the channel and provide your valuable feedback. Till then, thank you very much.